Hello, hi there. So I hope you are doing well. For last 1 month, I am facing some issues on my server, like this type of issues. 503 server unavailable, and this type of issues. Okay, so uh, just now I just talked with my with my hosting provider, and they find out it's happened for DDoS attack. So now let's see how we can block any bot from your side by using .htaccess file. Okay, so I have already accessing logged in into my cpanel, and here is the file manager. So public HTML, and then I have to go htaccess file. So currently htaccess file is hide. Click into settings and show hidden files. Okay, okay. Here is the htaccess file. Okay, click into sorry, click into edit, and then we have to add these three line. Okay, to block any bot. Okay, at the very beginning. Okay, so I have added these three line, and yeah, once it's done, then just click into save changes. So this is how you can protect any bot or DDoS attack. Thanks for watching.